Timothy Bruce Schmit is an American musician, singer, and songwriter. He has performed as the bassist and vocalist for Poco in the Eagles, having replaced bassist and vocalist Randy Meisner in both cases. Schmit has also worked for decades as a session musician and solo artist. In 1998, he was inducted into the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame as a member of the Eagles. Schmit was born in Oakland, California. He was raised in Sacramento and began playing in the folk music group Tim, Tom, and Ron at the age of 15. That group evolved into a surf band called The Contenders, then changed its name to The New Breed. As The New Breed, they had one big radio hit, the Animals-inspired Green-Eyed Woman, which was released in 1965. Changing its name once again to Glad, the group recorded the album Feelin' Glad in 1968. In 1968, Schmit auditioned for Poco but was turned down in favor of founding member Randy Meisner. When Meisner quit the band in 1969, Schmit replaced him on bass and vocals. He appeared on 9 of Poco's studio albums and 2 live albums between 1969 and 1977, encompassing numerous songs. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.